morning. My name is Adya. I am studying in class first. Today we are going to present this activity. I am a circle. I love this circle. I have no corner. I have no angle. I am shape of like a ball. Sun, moon. Thank you. Hello, good morning. I am a woman. Like and thank you. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. I am square, have square, have thank you. Hello, good morning. I am saying my name is rectangle. I have four sides who are round and who are my opposite sides of one. Good morning. Hello, good morning. I am a circle like a sun. Hello, good morning. I am a triangle. Yes, it's true. I have three sides. Yes, I do. Count very between 1, 2, 3. Good morning. Hello. I am circle. Like a cone ice cream and birthday cap. I have flat surface. Thank you. Hello.